Pilot 2, Industrial Valve Component via Laser Dead. The oil gas sector is traditionally conservative about adopting new manufacturing methods. How do you convince a customer that a valve produced or repaired with this process is as reliable as a conventional one?
Oil and gas industry is actually very conservative. I like to say that it's like a dinosaur. So a lot of standards are very old and very well established because it's a critical field. So reliability is at the center of manufacturing. For what concerns additive manufacturing, what we have seen is a growing interest in the technology since 2020, more or less. And since 2021 and 2022, we also have some new standards that regulates the use of additive manufacturing in this field. And being compliant with those standards and taking certification according to those standards is a crucial point. And then customers are understanding more and more, especially in these last 2 years, that this can be a technology that can really bring benefits to their business. And for this reason, what they need is paper, for sure, certification and compliancy, but also test. So they want their valves to be tested, new products needs to be tested. They want a lot of mechanical testing and functional test. And after those actually succeed, they are very open to then install parts. In fact, it's what we are seeing, especially this year. We have a lot of customers that are interested in this kind of solutions, and additive manufacturing is taking its importance in the field.
From a European industrial sovereignty perspective, what does it mean to be able to produce critical oil gas components locally from recycled material?
In this industry, another important aspect is that in a lot of countries, you have regulation for what concerns carbon footprint of the components that are manufactured. So by the benefits of additive manufacturing for what concerns the design, you can reduce the weight, you can reduce the waste and all these things, but moreover, using additive manufacturing from recycled material or using additive to repair a component will substantially reduce the carbon footprint related to that part. And so I will say that customers are also interested in this technology because of this possibility to have a less impactful environmental impact. So I will say that in general, if we push a lot on the use of recycled material, that it's almost the same that powder produced from conventional feedstock, let's say, then in that case the environmental impact is even lower, so we can increase even more the benefits of the technology.